Hey guys, this is Vic from DNV Mobile Auto Repair. We've come to do the interior detailing of a large semi pickup truck, semi truck. We're gonna be the owner basically said that he's gonna be going on a 6 weeks trip, and he needed to get the truck cleaned as soon as possible. He'd be leaving tomorrow, so um, let's see the condition of the truck right now. There's a lot of mud on the floor. The flooring is pretty dirty, but we will get it all cleaned. We have done large trucks before, and I think we should be able to do a pretty good job. I'm gonna show you. This is the doors. Dashboard. Floor mats. This is the sleeper cab area. The floor mats here. Now there's quite a bit of vinyl on the walls, as you can see. I want to take a video of how it looks now, because we're gonna steam clean the entire cab, including the roof, and try and make a difference to make sure that all the dirt and grime that is inside the inside all these marks, everything is taken care of. Hopefully we get the color back to gray or white, whatever the original color is, and you can see we're going to start getting down to this, and it'll be an exciting job. We are really excited to do this, especially because the person said that he's going to be living out of his truck for the next 6 weeks or so, and he wants to live he wants a place which is nice and clean, obviously, and we want to make sure that we give him the best experience possible while he's on the road. We will take another video during the process and another after we are done, and this will give you a good idea of the entire process. Thanks. And we Mobile Auto, we're taking the after video of the semi that we had done. This is the same semi that we had started a few hours back. It's taken us about 5 hours to do this vehicle. But this will give you an idea of, here's the insides. It's properly steam cleaned. The floor mats have been cleaned. We have cleaned and shampooed or polished all the dashboards and consoles. You can see it's looking pretty good. The dashboard console is looking good. We've cleaned all the floor mats, totally clean. The doors look good. We are going to now, I'm going to show you the back cab. So here is the, okay, I'm going to put a light here. So this is, you can see the entire lining has all been cleaned really well. The customer has already seen it, and he's pretty happy with the job that we've done. We hope he can give us a review on Google as well, but just to give you an idea, there's certain areas which didn't go out, like the grease and all that, but then we're going to try and fix that. We've tried our best, and the customer understands, so but overall you can get an idea. We've cleaned the entire place, and things look good. Thanks guys.